Discover the Oak Signature Plus Handrail Ungrooved, our unparalleled bestseller that combines modern unique design with unmatched quality. Crafted from the finest European oak, this handrail promises elegance while ensuring sustainability, sourced from FSC-certified wood mills. Engineered with prime quality oak on the outer layers and enhanced with finger joint technology inside, it offers superior durability and stability. This innovative construction minimizes the risk of warping, ensuring your handrail maintains its pristine condition for years to come. Measuring 65 millimeters in width and 44 millimeters in height, the Oak Signature Plus Handrail Ungrooved is designed for comfort and a seamless fit into any architectural style. Its ungrooved design makes it versatile for wall-mounted handrails or as a support for glass banisters with the appropriate brackets.